I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to rename the device itself because that's the only reliable way Bluetooth will show the new label. If you're on an iPhone, open Settings and tap General, then About. If you're on a Mac, open System Settings and choose General, then About. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID and the device is unlocked. This prevents iCloud from reverting names. Once you're in About, locate the name field so you can edit it directly. Now edit the name field. Tap it on an iPhone or click it on a Mac to enter edit mode. You should type a short, clear name. Avoid special characters that might display oddly on older Bluetooth devices. Once you finish, tap Done on iPhone or close the field on Mac to save. This change updates the device's identity at the system level. Make sure iCloud syncing is active so other Apple devices reflect the new name. If you're renaming to identify multiple devices, use a pattern like Name Room. Finish by opening Bluetooth settings to confirm the device broadcasts the new name to other devices. If you still see the old name, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then restart the device. That forces a refresh. Once done, make sure paired devices disconnect and repair if needed so they show the updated label. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud to force name sync, or as a last resort reset network settings. This rarely is required, but clears cached Bluetooth identifiers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.